Okay, I've hit it.
Uh-oh.
Oh, you caught your phone.
That was better.
Wait, hold on. Bear with me. I just found some footage from 4 years ago that shows more of that fun little course we were on.
Really pedaling, ready for a pump. Okay.
Nothing. That out. I'm super.
Okay, we're at Dupont State Recreational Forest in North Carolina, home of biking trails, hiking trails, Triple Falls, High Falls, Hooker Falls, Bridal Vale Falls, Wintergreen Falls, Grassy Creek Falls, and this little obstacle course that we keep coming back to.
Pedal as you get to the top.
Keep pedaling, keep pedaling.
Pedal.
What am I stealing?
Faster. Okay, enough of a flashback. Back to now. So obviously this was a lot of fun. I do apologize for the lens having a fuzziness in the middle. That's where I dropped the camera in the water. Water got in the lens. These were the last pictures this camera ever took. It died shortly thereafter.